We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look at the chart, and one of the option was we consider this one as a flat. That's why I mentioned if we consider this one as a flat, and this is the start of the up move. That's why I mentioned the only way to look for trade to put our entry above this one, which is at 0.201. And I mentioned we're looking for continuation as a short move, and this is exactly as what we're expecting to get. Okay, whoever get the trade from here, that means they could manage to put their entry above the stop. They should be in this trade. And if we put our fib from here, almost as we can see, the price reached 27%. That means the first take profit. Now, if the traders they want to take out the trade, they can. But if they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. Because if there is a continuation, the next level we're looking for is 0.2525 cent. Okay, because the next level we're looking at the 25 cent. Because as I mentioned, if we put our fib here, the first level, no, that's mean the first target, which is 27%, almost the price tag, and the next target, the second target we're looking for is a 61% of this move, which is almost 0.25. Okay, that's why uh if traders they're looking for the long term, they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. And we have nothing else to discuss. Even we don't have any trade setup buying at this price. It depends on the traders, but as we know, technically we don't have the trade setup, and the best way to look for trade was to put our entry above this. And if we move to forward chart, the only thing is we want to see the continuation. We want to see whether the price can break 25 cent, which is almost, if we refer to our chart, we see there is this top. Okay, but when I'm referring to the 25 0.25 25 cent, I'm considering the 61% of this move as a second target, because this 27% is the first target, almost the price tag. And right now we're looking at the 25 cent. If there is a breakout of the 25 cent, then we can expect the price to retest the stop, the biggest stop in relative to this, which is a 29 cent. Okay, by the way, as I mentioned, we don't see any trade setup based on 1 hour chart. If it depends on the traders whether they want to buy right now or not, but technically we don't have any trade setup. The only things I want to highlight here, whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even, and we just let it go. If they don't want to keep the take out the trade in the first, take profit. And the next level is 0.25. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.